On a clear night, beneath the crashing waves, the ocean lies perfectly still. As the sun slowly disappears, the boundaries of the horizon begin to fade. Darkness fills the sky, and an extraordinary world beneath the surface comes to life. A world of wonder, a world of mystery, a vibrant world where colorful creatures glide through an ocean's embrace. Can you feel it? The deep blue is calling. Lifted from the depths, rising from the tide, shining brightly above us in the infinite night sky. Tonight, dive into the water, journey into the unknown, as SeaWorld proudly presents illumiNight. for illumiNight drone finale. We hope you've enjoyed your day here at SeaWorld San Antonio. Good night.